Kayla and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing another huge Diamond Dynasty hair unboxing. Diamond Dynasty hair unboxing. So if you guys like to see this video, just keep on watching, but before you do, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and also make sure you hit that notification bell. But yeah, let's jump into the video. So starting off, they sent me, I'm gonna give y'all a breakdown. First, they sent me 3 weeks and they sent me 2 sets of bundles, you know, that whole stuff. So hopping right into it, I think I'm gonna start off with the wigs just because I already got them done. So this first wig it came in a little bag, but on the bag it doesn't have any information, so I can't tell y'all because I don't know. But yes, here's the first wig. This is what it's looking like. It's real soft. But this is what the inside looking like. So it's just a standard lace frontal wig. It comes with the combs and, you know, the standard things. And I think the lace is transparent. I think, y'all, don't come for me, I don't know. I think it's transparent, but it looks like it's a straight texture, and it's probably like, I want to say maybe a 24 inches. Your girl don't know, I'm guessing over here, I don't know. But this is the first wig, and it did come with the little foam thing in the head, and it came with a hairnet. I just took it off. So this is the first one. The second one says body wave, 20 inches, full lace wig, 200 density, and it just has my name on it. It just says Kayla. So this is this wig. It came with, all the wigs come with this little thing in, and why did they put that right there? I just noticed that. Okay, so you got these combs on the lace part. I just noticed that. And this is what it's looking like. I don't like that, because when you party, you liable to see the comb. Okay. Anywho, this look like a tan. No, this look like the HD lace. Cause it's a color on it. It's a tinge. I don't know, y'all, but this what it looking like. And it's body wave, as it says, and it's really, oh, I lied, it's really soft though, but I had a little kink. But this is what the wig looking like. And y'all, I'm really mad about that. I don't know why. And it had, oh, excuse me, y'all, this is a full lace wig. So I don't know what this part for though, but it's lace in the back, y'all. I seen too hype. Okay. But it's a full lace wig, so it's lace all around the cap. I don't know why I ain't never paid attention to that when I opened the packaging. I guess I did. So like, if you wanted to put this in a ponytail, you could put this in a ponytail. But this, oh y'all, I'm ready to do this, because I think this lace, I don't know if it's HD lace though, but it blend real good. I don't know why I keep showing y'all that, but yeah. Oh, I had an itch. Oh, my camera going dead. Okay. But yeah, that's this wig, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm making this too long. Longer than it need to be. Hold on. So this last wig, y'all, I'm real excited for her. So this is a 40-inch, 250 density, full lace, 613 wig. Y'all, this is what it's looking like. It's a full lace like the other one as well. Let me turn this lace all around. But she is long, y'all. Look, y'all can see how long this is. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited for this hair. This one This might be it, y'all. But I don't know what to do, y'all. It's so long. And I had asked on my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram. I asked on my Instagram, like, what color should I do? Because I want to do something with these, but I don't know what to do. Because it's so long. It is so long. I thought about doing the darker roots and just, like, toning it. Because, I don't know. It's so long that I don't really want to do too much, but then I do. I know I ain't doing that with no highlights, though, because it's too long. But I think that's what I might do. Just give it some darker roots and tone it. But yeah, that is this. So that completes the wigs. Now moving on to the bundles with the thing. So the first one is Goddess Curly 20-inch. It says 3. Well, it's just 20-inch. I don't know what else they say on it. It says mink hair. I'm gonna open all it in a second, y'all. Then I have 3 18-inch, and then I have 1 20-inch, which is awkward, but I guess. So I'm gonna open up the 20-inch first. And like I said, it comes in the little thing. And this is the hair. Oh, it's real soft. Goddess Curly. This is what it's looking like, y'all. Real tinkly. But you know, I love some curly hair, so oh, this is really soft. But I don't know, that's a little weird situation with a 20-inch. Cause this is a 20-inch closure. It's just like a standard closure. But this is what it's looking like. I love when my lace look like this, y'all. But yeah, so this is dead. That's cute. I ain't gonna open the other ones cause they look the same, y'all. See? Okay, so I ain't trying to make this video long. So the last thing they sent me was, y'all, I was really excited for this hair right here, but they didn't send me a closure or a frontal. Like, it's just bundles. So but I did write them, so they gonna be sending it to me. But this is their Dominican curly hair. But the catch to it is I have 3 26 mink, and like it says mink hair. Then I have 3, oh, it's 6 bundles. I thought it was 5. Then I have 3, a 34, a 30, and a 32 of just like regular bundles. So 3 mink and 3 regular. I don't know, we're gonna just go with it. So I'm gonna start off with the 36 inches because I want to open all these because, you know, they say like the longer you get, the thinner your bundle is. So we finna see some. So yeah, so this is the mink 36. Yo, okay. This is how it looks. It's long. Y'all, look how long it is. But see, the only thing I don't, it's real full up here, y'all. But it started to get like real thin going down. But it's so pretty. Like, this on vacation here, y'all. 36 inches of this. Oh, I don't know why I just did that. This is like on vacation, y'all. Y'all can see. I want y'all to be able to see. Okay, yeah, maybe I should hold it this way. But it don't look that thin at the bottom. But you might need, yeah, you see, yeah. So this all, well, this is a 36. It feels so full up here. This is so pretty, y'all. So hold on, let me open all these. Camera is down. Y'all, I'm just throwing this shit everywhere. Every time I record, my room be looking a mess afterward. Let me just set it right there, y'all. I probably would cut this part out or speed this part up. Okay. Okay, so I got all the 36 inches right here. So this is 336 mint. This is the mint color. Well, that's what it say on the packaging, but this is all 36 inches. Girl, she long. But I bet this is so pretty, like wet, y'all. Oh, I can't wait till they send me the little closure of the front or whatever it be. This is like vacation hair. Okay, y'all, because I'm trying to show y'all how all this gonna look like together. So next, I'm gonna open up the 34. Let's keep it going. So this is the 34 bundle. It's still long, but your waist is small. Like y'all can see that. That's kind of small, but this how this one look. It's still long. Let me show y'all in comparisons to a 30. Oh shit, a 36. So I don't know. They look the same. It's just like a little shorter. A little shorter. I think. Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit, not by a lot. So this is what this one looking like. And this is what this one looking like. So next I'm finna open the 32 inch. In the helmet. Oh y'all, I hate trying to take these off when I get on here. So this the 32 inch. It got shorter. I can tell it's shorter. And then the last one, y'all. I'm finna compare all of them though. I hope y'all don't feel like I'm rushing. Like I'm kind of ill because my camera died. Because I just recorded another video. But this one. Okay. So this is a 30 inch. Y'all, I hate to think about it. My shirt coming up. This a 30 inch. So this a 32 and this a 30. It's not that much shorter though. Like, let me see. Y'all can tell 30, 32. And then, hold on y'all. So this the 30 bundle, this the 32. Can y'all see that? So yeah. And then this the 34, because I had to think. So these all the bundles that's not the same length. So 34, 32, and 30. So yeah. That's how they looking. So now let's see with one of these. With a 36. I mean, you can tell, but you really can't tell. But let's see how all these gonna look together. And then you're gonna have a frontal or closure, either or. So that should add to it. So it seemed like a lot, y'all. So this should be like really cute together. Y'all can see that? It should come out full. Cause I'm gonna try to get all of it on there. So pretty. But yeah, before my video die, I gotta give y'all some info. So yeah, that is all for the hair that they sent me. But I got some good news going on. I am doing my very first giveaway on my channel. So if you guys like to participate in the giveaway, just keep listening. but for real, yeah. So I'm giving away a wig. This is the wig right here. I did construct this wig, so it might not be perfect, but this is it. So the rules to entering this giveaway: 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Duh. 2, you have to have your post notifications turned on. 3, you have to be following me on Instagram. I will have that listed for you guys, but all the rules will be listed down below. But yes, I am doing a giveaway. So those are the 3 main parts, I think. I'm also this video should be up June 1st, because I'm thinking I want to do it from June to the 1st through the 31st. But if not, I know I don't have all them details. So all the details to enter the giveaway will be listed down below. So yeah, if you want to win you a wig, just follow the rules down below. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.